Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to manage favorite contacts on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. To do that, just open the phone app and go to the Call section at the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Edit and select Add Favorite. And from here, just select a contact which you want to add to the favorite section. For an example, if I select this option, now from this pop-up menu, just select if you want to set your favorite contact for messages or calls. For an example, if I select messages, the favorite contact will go directly on the messages section if I tap on it. Now, if I tap on done, as you can see, if I tap on this contact, it will directly go to the messages section. Now, if I tap on edit, and if I add another favorite, tap on the plus icon. Now, if I select this contact and if I select call, it will be set on call. Now, if I tap on this favorite contact, it will directly call this contact. Now, if you want to remove a contact from the favorite section, just tap on edit and tap on edit favorite and tap on the minus icon on the contact which you want to remove. Then tap on done. And this is how you can manage favorite contacts on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.